Next, it's another drawing that we are creating here, and this is how we are giving the looks and nose to it so that it makes a nice piggy look over here, and this is how we are giving the crocodile look to it. Now we are trying to make the hand over here, and this is how we are trying to create the legs of this nice crocodile, and he is, I think, jumping as well as enjoying his mood, and he is thinking about something over here, and this is the lovely thing that we have made with glittery eyes over here. Now it's another thing that we are making, and it's the lovely face we have drawn, and this way we are giving the looks and making something like this nice cock over here, and this is how we are trying to give the eyes and making something like this pattern here, and it's our nice drawing that we have made with so easy steps, and this is how we have almost completed it, and it's time to make the tails, and this is how it's done.